Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christian Koiviman. I'm a Swedish watercolor artist. So ever since I started painting watercolor, I always had a fantasy, you could say, about painting watercolors outdoors. And that's something I felt like that's something I wanted to do on a regular basis. I've done a few attempts, but I don't know, I kind of failed every time, and I never really got the hang of it because it's quite different from painting in your studio. So my goal for this summer is actually to try to do it on a regular basis, and I'm gonna try to learn the skills needed to do that. And I'm gonna take you guys with me on the way. And I'm happy if you guys share in the comments section some pointers or stuff like that to help me out. Like today, for example, this is a very spontaneous move. I just took my stuff and went into the forest, and I don't have a field easel or anything like that. So let's see what happens. I don't even know what I'm gonna paint today. But anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy this video and enjoy this summer with me while I'm trying to improve this skill that I hopefully will be able to enjoy for many years ahead. Okay, let's see what happens today. Wish me good luck. Okay guys, I think I found my spot for today. My first goal was to find somewhere to sit, actually, and from there try to figure out what to paint. And I did find a little bit of a cliff here I'm going to show you, and it looks really nice with a nice view, but there are pine needles on the ground, so it kind of hurts my butt sitting here, but ergonomically I think it's a pretty good spot anyway, so check this out. So this is the view for today. It looks pretty nice with the blue sky in the background, and I think I'm gonna paint something with the inspiration from what I'm seeing here, and I'm not gonna try to be too advanced about it since we're outdoors, and it's something that I'm pretty uncomfortable with, so bear with me. So here's rule number one, painting outdoors: bring your paints. I have to go back and get my paints, guys. I forgot them. Okay guys, I found it. So I'm on my way back now. It's pretty good exercise, at least. And actually I'm changing rule number one to come prepared when you're gonna do outdoor painting or plein air painting. And obviously I didn't do that. On the way here I found something too, so I'm not sure if I should be scared or something. What do you guys think? Okay guys, I've been walking for a little bit, and I think we have a rule number two now. Don't leave your paints or your materials behind, because I'm kind of struggling finding the location I was at and where I left my stuff. So don't leave your stuff behind, guys. Okay, well, I will find them, but stupid. I should have brought them. Okay, guys. Found it. Okay, let's get started, okay? Rule number 3, don't paint in a slope, okay, guys? I'm not doing this on purpose, I promise. Okay, guys, I think I have my setup ready here. I'm sitting here and I have my stuff on the ground, leaning a little bit, so it's a little bit scary. And as I said, I was going to try to do something simple. So I'm actually going to start off by trying to do a simple study of this branch. So let's get started right there. We'll see how it goes. Another learning experience. Obviously, I already knew this, and it makes sense, but it's still quite different from what you're normally used to. If you're used to painting indoors, is the light is changing the whole time. This was a great spot when I started out, and now, as you can see, there's a lot of shade on the paper. I'm still gonna continue working here, but perhaps the location wasn't the greatest for that reason either. I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. Okay, so now the paper is drying. The first wash is done, and normally in my studio I would probably try to speed it up by using my hairdryer, but as you know, there is no electricity in the forest, so that's not an option. In case you're wondering about the paper I'm using Arch watercolor paper, and it's pretty heavy. It's 640 grams per square meters, so it won't buckle as much. And I really enjoy that paper. Okay guys, that's it for today. The painting is done. It's not a masterpiece, but it's a great start for a plein air painting for me anyways. And it's been a great learning experience for me today, to say the least. Maybe some of you guys learned something too. Before I say bye, remember, leave some comments down below. Maybe you have a few pointers, what I should think about next time I'm doing my plein air paintings. Okay, until I see you next time, bye-bye.